Okay, I'm gonna put you over here. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome to this renovation vlog or update. I've been filming a lot of videos from this renovation, and I have no idea what I have been filming, so I'm just gonna make this intro. I'm gonna show you everything, and then I'm just gonna, you know, put together what I have and hope for the best. And today I'm also going to show you the plan of our kitchen, because we don't have it yet, but it's on its way. We've got notified that it will arrive soon, and yeah, I'm very excited for that. So today I'm going to show you the plans, like this sketch, not like real pictures, but a sketch of what it will look like. And that will be the first time that I will show our kitchen to everyone. So far only my friends have seen it. Okay, this is actually an updated version from my intro, because when I was editing this, I felt like so much had changed, or editing the video, I felt like so much had changed that I wanted to show you what it really looks like. So now I'm filming this, and this is actually just hours before this video is up. So yeah, this is now the hallway. The IKEA PAX closets are on their place, so this feels so amazing. And I actually realized now, while I was going to film this, that we can actually put doors on now, so that will give it a little bit of a better view here when we can hide some of the stuff, because since we don't have a kitchen, we don't have a bathroom, you know, all of these things are just kitchen and bathroom stuff, because we just need to put everything everywhere. So you can see I've tried to make it a little bit cozy here. And this is now, so these will probably, I don't know, I have been thinking of black doors, so we will build everything in, so it will just be like a black wall over here, but I'm not sure if that will be too dark, since it's such a small space and no windows. Let me know what you think about that. It could also be some kind of beige. We will have walnut over here. This whole wall will be walnut. So yeah, what do you think? We have also ordered the floors, the tiles, so that will be like a beach, sandy, rock kind of thing. It's so beautiful. I can show you a picture here. And we will of course take down the ceiling, put spotlights, and this will be just super nice. We will have a bench, we will have a big mirror over here. I want this paneling kind of thing on the wall, so that's we're gonna fix. That will match the colors on the walnut storage here. So yes, this will be really good, and I'm so excited because it really felt like a big step when we could put those there, because they are supposed to be there and they have been moved so many times now because we haven't been able to put them there. The rest of the hallway is just a big mess, but the good thing is we now actually have everything here. 2 days ago, we have the electrician here, we had plumber. So now it's really messy now, because we are going to clean up this evening. This is really live, you know. But now we have everything. So actually Juna has started putting, you know, concrete over here. So next week he can put the rest, and that means next week we will have a lovely floor over here. Oh my god, it's finally happening. But nothing new in the part where we will have the bathroom, so nothing new there, except for pipes and electricity. We have gotten our wall-hanged toilet. Ooh, so excited. It's from this Villeroy and Bosch brand. It's really beautiful actually. Nothing has happened here, of course, because we just have a lot of storage. yeah, I've just been, yeah, oh my god, I forgot to tell you, yesterday I actually found out that we have another storage room. So yesterday I actually organized that one, took down 2 bookshelves there, and oh my god, oh sorry, so excited about that. And I don't think that I have showed you the balcony. Now it's put a little bit different because we needed to protect everything from the rain. So I can show you some pictures here what it really looks like. Ooh, and by the way, when I'm filming this, our kitchen will arrive in 2-3 weeks. Okay, so let me show you the pictures for the plan of our kitchen, and one's on its way. So these are only computer pictures, so this is actually, the color is a bit off, but here you can see the kitchen island, the breakfast cabin. We don't actually have a picture of that inside what it will look like, but it will have some kind of a beige color. I actually really can't remember because it's I think it's 6 months since we planned it. Oh my god. And there we have the, I don't know what it is in English, but where we will keep glasses and just this nice storage space with lighting. And then you can see all the storage over here. We have the kitchen and all the fridge over here that you can see there. And yeah, the bookshelf, of course, that will come over here. I'm so excited! And as I said, the colors are a bit off in these pictures, but yeah, this walnut, oh my god, oh, it will look so amazing! Excited! And then we have the dining room. This part, I can't remember what happened last time I vlogged. I think I have pictures of the bedroom, so I won't show you that, but I can insert here so you can see it. But back to the dining room. This table should be in the home office, but I want it to be there just as long as, yeah, everything gets fixed. Here is the bookshelf coming that will arrive at the same time as the kitchen because it's in the same material. I'm gonna show you. And as you can see, I always try to make things pretty while we are waiting. So this is what it looks like at the moment, and this is our old table. As you know, we have been using it as a work table, so I'm just keeping this on it to make it a little bit more, yeah, okay-ish. So here we will have a 6-person table, and here of course we will have a new lamp, we will have curtains all over the walls. Here we have the home office. We will have the table from there, here, and another mirror, and yeah, a lot of different details, but it's working. And I've tried to make it a little bit more cozy with this carpet and those details. And I've been working today, putting up a lot of outfits for upcoming videos, so it's really full, and yeah. But that's my work. And these are the closets that I'm so happy about. They are so luxurious, and I'm so proud of Yuna who made this. Yeah, I just couldn't be more happier. And of course I'm gonna walk you through all of these closets, but they are a bit messy at the moment. You see, it's not like I've prioritized getting everything super neat and nice because we have the renovation going on, but as soon as it is, because I have been planning on doing it, fixing them now when fall arrives. So yes, then I will give you a tour. Like this video if you want a closet tour. The other side looks like this, also so pretty. The doors and that part is not ready yet, and of course we have a lot of stuff here because we don't have anywhere else to put it, but at least it's done and it's so damn pretty. I really love it. Really love it. The only thing I don't like in this room are the curtains. Don't know what I should put up instead, or if it's just that it's missing a list over here, that would make it better. I don't know, I just don't like it, so I will have to think about that. But yeah, overall I'm so happy, and our floor is definitely the best part. I love it so much. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think so far about the renovation, and do you think we will be done soon? Because I have no idea how long this will take. Have a lovely day. See you in my next video. Bye!